Are you ready to elevate your Forex trading skills and become a triumphant trader? Remember, it's not just about mastering strategies. It's also about understanding yourself. Also see the links in the description box below if you need to download free Forex courses, indicators, and trading systems. Many traders also ask me about the broker that I use. Sign up with the link in the description box below. Let's begin with the first question. Question number 1. What's my risk appetite? Evaluating your risk tolerance is a cornerstone of successful Forex trading. Determine the percentage of your account balance you are willing to risk per trade. Most seasoned traders adhere to a conservative 1 to 2% risk per trade to safeguard their capital. Keep in mind that excessive risk-taking can lead to catastrophic losses. Take the time to ponder this crucial aspect carefully. Question number 2. Have I chosen the right broker? Your chosen broker plays a pivotal role in determining your trading success. Conduct a thorough evaluation of your broker's customer service, trading platform, fees, and policies. If you find yourself dissatisfied, consider switching to a more suitable option. Your overall trading experience hinges on selecting the right broker. Question number 3. Am I truly prepared to start trading? If you're new to trading, ensure you're adequately prepared before taking the plunge. For existing traders, it's vital to analyze your past performance critically. Beginners can benefit from quizzes and demo accounts to gain knowledge and practice without risking real funds. Question number 4. What are my trading goals? Beyond just making profits, set clear and achievable Forex trading goals. Aim for meaningful milestones such as consistent profits or personal growth. Achieving smaller, well-defined objectives will keep you motivated and inspired throughout your trading journey. Question number 5. Do I have a solid trading plan? A robust trading plan is an absolute necessity. It outlines your goals, risk tolerance, and trading strategies. If you haven't crafted one yet, now is the time to start. Follow your plan diligently to maintain discipline and focus while executing trades. Congratulations! You've taken the initial steps towards becoming a triumphant Forex trader by asking these 5 critical questions. Remember, self-assessment is an ongoing process in trading. Continuously review and improve your strategies and mindset. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Happy trading, and stay tuned for our next video.